Hi everyone, I thought I'd do another video update. It's been really quite a long time since I've done one. We've got an interesting selection of cars in at the moment. So we've got this lovely Austin Healey 106 that's come in for a brake check over and some steering repair as well. So really just beautiful condition. Customers recently had it painted and restored. Down the back, we have a Mercedes W108. That's come in for some tuning and running issues. There's a few ignition faults and general setup issues with it, meaning that it was running very rough. But we're getting to the bottom of that. There's an issue with the distributor base plate that we've repaired, and some cracked spark plug. We've done the valve clearances, going through the carburetor setup now, but it's running much better, so that's good. This one was a California car. A bit difficult to see in there. That door's locked. So I love this era of Mercedes. There's such lovely design, and as some of you know, I do own a Mercedes of this age. There's this MGB, which some of you may have seen in Hub Nut video where we had a couple of MGB barn finds. The sister car of this one, the red Roadster, has been sold. This GT, unfortunately, is a little bit too rough to really see a restoration on it. It's kind of right on the edge of what would be salvageable, but for us, it's just not an economical repair. We are going to be breaking this car. The engine is seized, unfortunately, but there'll be usable parts on it to be good for the next project that we've got coming in. Anyway, we've got another MGB GT to do, so it'll be useful for parts, some of the stainless trim around the windscreen and stuff like that. That's not easily available. We can take off of this car. Since the last update, we've had tire equipment come in. We now fit our own tires in-house. We can do balancing on wire wheels and centerless steel wheels like you get on the Citroens. So now we can do all that in-house. Makes a big difference, and we can have full control of everything. And the other car we got in the workshop is this beautiful Ford RS 2000. Really, really amazing condition. Really has to be one of the nicest ones I think I've seen. It's come in for carburetor overhaul and repair. And it's just lovely. It originally had a pair of twin Delautos on it, but he's gone back to the original, putting it back to factory specification. Well, you can see how nice it is under there. But yeah, so this is ready to go. Customer will be collecting it this morning. So yeah, that's kind of what we got going on at the moment. Bit of a variety of cars, which is a bit of a change. Often there's a lot of MGs in with us. That's our main thing. But a bit of variety this week, and some really pretty cars. Okay, everyone have a good week.